Our topic is fish preservation principles and characteristics of fish from shellfish. Now, what is fish preservation? Fish preservation is the method of increasing the shelf life of fish by applying the principles of different branches in order to keep the fish after it has landed in a condition wholesome and fit for human consumption. There are methods used for fish preservation: the canning, drying, freezing, pickling, salting, and smoking. The first is the canning. Canning is the most popular methods of fish preservation and provides a typical shelf life range from 1 to 5 years, sealed in airtight containers. Drying. Drying is the removal of water from fish. Normally, the term drying implies the removal of water by evaporation, but water can be removed by other methods. For example, the action of salt and application of pressure will remove water from the fish. And freezing, a process of preservation in which the temperature of fish and fishery products is lowered at 40 degrees Celsius or below, with the most of the water inside of fish tissue turning into ice. Pickling. Pickling is flavoring of foods by immersing it into an acidic solution, which may also be salted or flavored. The essential ingredients of a pickling liquid is vinegar, often accompanied by salt. Salting. Salting is a low-cost form of fish preservation. There are two common methods of salting. First is the dry salting, whereby salt is applied directly into the fish surface. And second, brining, whereby the fish are immersed in a salt and water solutions. Both marine and inland fish are salted. Smoking. Smoking is the process of treating fish by exposing it to smoke from smoldering wood or plant materials. This process is usually characterized by a combination of salting, drying, heating, and smoking steps in a smoking chamber. And those are the fish preservation principles. Now, let's go to the characteristics of fish. Why do we need to know about the characteristics of fresh fish and shellfish? A fresh fish gives off a fresh and agreeable smell, while the odor from a shellfish are objectionable. What is fresh fish? Whatever the variety, whole fish have certain characteristics that indicates freshness. These should have bright full eyes that are often protruding. Gills is bright red covered in clear slime. Flesh is firm, stiff body. Impression made by fingers do not remain, and belly walls is intact. What about the shellfish? Shellfish is discolored, usually with brown slime present, dirty appearance, discoloration, adheres firmly to the bone, difficult to tear, and blood under tissue sound red in color.